good news about Jesus has come to Mark chapter 10 from verse 1 to verse 16. Jesus said, man no fi left him wife. After Jesus left where him did there, him go past River Jordan and go in at the Judea area. Enough people come to him again, and like him always do, him teach them. Some Pharisee did want to test him, so them come to him and ask him, say, the law give no man the right for broke up with him wife? Jesus asked them, say, what Moses tell you to do? Them answer say, Moses allow the man them for write one paper give them wife for show say them not marry no more. But Jesus said to them, say, Moses allow you to do that, cause you not have no heart. But from God make the world, he make man and woman. And that make one man will left him father and mother, join up with him wife, and the two of them will turn one somebody. So them are not two again, them turn one. So if God make one man and him wife one, nobody no fi split them up. When they go back in the house, Jesus follow them ask him about what him did say. So him tell them, say, if nobody broke up with them wife and go married somebody else, in the wrong against him wife, him come in just like somebody where him wife born. And if the wife broke up with her husband and married somebody else, a bun she get her husband. Jesus bless little picnic. Some people they bring them picnic to Jesus for him touch them. But Jesus special follower them start tell off the people them will bring the picnic them come and start run them. When Jesus see this, him get vexed and say, allow the picnic them make them come. Not try tap them, cause God kingdom of the people will come in like them little picnic. Me I tell you this, and I true me attack. Anybody when not trust in a God and follow him like one little picnic, now can go in a God kingdom. Then Jesus take the picnic them, put him hand upon them, and bless them. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.